Reaction of alkenes. In this lesson, we will talk about the different reactions involving alkenes. What are alkenes? An alkene is an acyclic hydrocarbon that usually contains a carbon-to-carbon double bond and a formula of CnH2n. It is also called an unsaturated hydrocarbon because they have fewer hydrogen atoms than an alkane does with the same number of carbon atoms. Alkenes are more reactive than alkanes due to the presence of the double bond.
Alkene reactions. Addition reactions. The vast majority of alkene reactions fall into the category of addition reactions. In an addition reaction, an alkene adds element to each of the carbons involved in the pi band, resulting in formation of sp3 carbons from sp2 carbons. This is one of the most important types of reactions that alkenes undergo. Examples of addition reactions that are common in alkenes include halogenation, hydration, hydrogenation, and polymerization.
Halogenation. The alkene halogenation reaction, specifically bromination or chlorination, is one in which a dihalide such as Cl2 or Br2 is added to a molecule after breaking the carbon-to-carbon double bond. The resulting product is a vicinal dihalide. Halogenated compounds constitute 20% of the repertoire of active pharmaceutical ingredients and 30% of recurrent agrochemicals. Halogenated compounds also find applications as dyes, flame retardants, imaging agents in medical diagnosis and in material science. Hydration. The net addition of water to alkenes is known as hydration. This addition to an alkene is the presence of the catalytic amount of strong acid leads to the formation of alcohols. Ethanol, also called alcohol, ethyl alcohol, and grain alcohol, is a clear, colorless liquid and the principal ingredient in alcoholic beverages like beer, wine, or brandy. It is manufactured by reacting ethene with steam.
Hydrogenation. In a hydrogenation reaction, two hydrogen atoms are added across the double bond of an alkene, resulting in a saturated alkane. Its industrial uses are extensively used to create commercial goods. Hydrogenation is used in the food industry to make a large variety of manufactured goods from liquid oils. For example, making ghee by adding hydrogen to vegetable oil in the presence of a catalyst. The next one is polymerization. Polymerization is a process by which an organic compound reacts within itself to form a high molecular weight compound composed of repeating units of the original compound. Polymerization's industrial use gives a very useful plastic material called polypropylene. It accounts for 25% of all plastic products today. It can be made into durable fibers or molded into a variety of shapes. And that's the presentation of Group 2. Thank you for listening.